He's chewing on it.
Here, let me. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, get it. He got it. Oh, are you filming it?
I am. He's having a ball, Mommy. He doesn't know what that thing is.
Oh, did you get it? Is that the end of it? Oh, I got it. Oh, he's got it.
That was funny, Mom.
I know.
What's Boo doing, Mom?
Hiding.
From Shelby?
I just got one. What's going on? Oh, Simon got it.
Oh, yeah, well, he's still.
Oh, he's just tearing it up. By gosh, get that stopper out. Get it out of there, Shelby. Look at him.
He's chewing it. Lejos.
I know. Wait to get it? To get it, Shelby? That's the end of that.
That's Tracy.
Now he's putting his whole nose inside of it.
Why?
I don't know.
To follow that up again?
I don't know. He's just chewing it. He's getting it.
It's just funny. Yeah, I just started to eat around like what? It's funny. Like I tip it like I didn't like this to him. I went like this. No, I went like I tip.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I just had one, boo-boo. I didn't think I needed two.
Don't you want the ball? You want the ball?
No.
No what?
I do not. I wanted that T-O-N-E over there. Okay. What the heck went wrong here at this situation?
I wanted one too.
Shelby will get it all good and yucky for you.
Yeah, but then there'll be a fight over it, Mom.
Okay, did you turn it off?